folks, just another short video because I'm excited because it's that time of year when the garlic can go in. So I do mine in modules, mainly because then I can see if there's any duds rather than planting them all out and finding out later. General purpose, multi-purpose compost. I don't use anything fancy, so it's just to get them rooting and showing signs of life on the top. Now, this is by no means a how-to. This is just what I do when I'm planting mine. You can plant them straight out in the garden, but I just do it this way because I'm too excited to whatever. I haven't got room out there at the moment anyway to put them, so you know, but I have separated the cloves. These are my elephant garlic that I actually grew last year. They're not massive, but you know, still grew. That's good. So just pop them in the modules. Don't know how many we've got. Can't remember. Let's have a look. 2, 5, 6, 7. Is it just me, or am I just nuts and that? But whenever I do this, also seeds, I'm counting them out as I'm putting them out. Don't know why, but there we go. So that's 12 of those. Then I do have 3 mono bulbs that didn't split last year. Now, you can use them as they are now. I have used a couple in cooking, or plant them out and then hopefully they will split for next year and give us more, because you can't have enough garlic. That's probably the one thing putting these in here, because the roots will just push them straight out probably. But right, so that's done. The rest, I've actually still got some sensu sets left over, so we're just going to fill it up with those because I don't want to waste space in the tray. Make sure you put them up the right way as well before you end up. One, 2, 3. Oh, doing it again, aren't I? Counting. Right, let's have a quick one. Right, there we go. I'll give those a water shortly and hopefully they'll all spring to life. It's so nice because elephant garlic is very expensive to buy at the moment. So, and these are the sensu that I planted a week or 2 ago, and there's 28 cells and only 4 haven't shown life yet, but I'm still leaving them because they can do. You know, it doesn't mean to say they failed. So some just take longer than others. But yeah, so I'll give these a water and then crack on with something else. Okay, take care. Bye.